Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Over the hill. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever heard someone say that someone is over the hill? It means that someone is old or past their prime. To remember the meaning, think of someone climbing a hill. Once they reach the top, they're over the hill and on their way down. It's the same with age and life. Once someone reaches a certain age, they've reached the top of the hill and are on their way down. Let me tell you a story about my friend, John. John recently turned 50 and was feeling down about it. He said he felt like he was over the hill. I explained to him that just because he turned 50 doesn't mean he's past his prime. In fact, he still has so much to offer and accomplish in his life. John felt much better after our conversation and realized that age is just a number. Here are 5 example sentences that use the idiom over the hill. 1. My dad turned 60 last week and said he's officially over the hill. 2. I don't think I'll ever feel like I'm over the hill. I plan on staying active and healthy my whole life. 3. Some people think that once you're over the hill, you can't learn anything new. I completely disagree. 4. I'm not worried about turning 40. I still have a long way to go before I'm over the hill. 5. My grandma is 90 years old and still going strong. She's definitely not over the hill yet. Fun facts about the idiom over the hill. 1. The idiom originated in the 20th century and was used to describe soldiers who were no longer fit for battle. 2. The phrase over the hill is often used in sports to describe athletes who are past their prime. 3. The idiom is also used to describe the midpoint of a journey or task. 4. In some cultures, reaching the age of 50 is considered over the hill. 5. The idiom is often used in a lighthearted or joking manner. Here's an original sentence using over the hill. 1. My mom turned 70 last week, but she's not over the hill yet. 2. My mom turned 70 last week, but she's still got a lot of life left in her. 3. My mom turned 70 last week, but she's still going strong. Let me share a real-life story about the impact of the idiom over the hill. My friend, Sarah, was feeling down about turning 40. She said she felt like she was over the hill and that her best years were behind her. I explained to her that age is just a number and that she still has so much to offer. I encouraged her to pursue her passions and to not let age hold her back. Sarah took my advice and started her own business, which has been incredibly successful. She realized that turning 40 wasn't the end, but rather the beginning of a new chapter in her life. Here are some similar expressions to over the hill. 1. Past your prime. 2. Long in the tooth. 3. In your twilight years. 4. Senior citizen. 5. Golden years. Here's an opposite expression to over the hill, in your prime. Here are some related idioms that English learners should know. 1. Kick the bucket. 2. Bite the dust. 3. Break a leg. 4. Piece of cake. 5. Hit the nail on the head. Let me tell you a story using the related idiom kick the bucket. This idiom means to die. Imagine someone kicking a bucket as they take their last breath. It may sound morbid, but it's a common expression used in English. Let's wrap up with a quick quiz to see if you've understood the meaning of over the hill. Which of the following best describes the meaning of over the hill? A. To be old or past your prime. B. To be at the top of a hill. C. To be in your prime. The correct answer is A. Over the hill means to be old or past your prime. To summarize, over the hill is an idiom that means to be old or past your prime. Remember, age is just a number. And it's never too late to pursue your dreams and passions. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this idiom today.